Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some chicken breast right here, onion, green tomato, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, habanero peppers, 2 of them. We also have some shrimp. So we about to put together. It's gonna be fire too. Yes, sir. We'll put some Chipotle pepper, chicken and shrimp. So I'm about to go ahead and chop up everything, clean these shrimps. The chicken already clean. We're about to get it right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, I just opened up my chicken. Now we'll go ahead and hit it with this beater. But first, we're gonna season it with some of this black pepper. So y'all gotta bear with me. I'm filming by myself right now. So, boom, there we go right there. Now we'll go ahead and beat that meat up real good. Okay, so I beat up both sides. So now we want to just go ahead and marinate this chicken because I'm going to cook it on the stove. We're going to do a 1-pot meal. Some oyster sauce. We're going to chop it up. I'm going to let it marinate in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I'm going to chop up my vegetables, clean my mess, chop up my vegetables, put everything together, rinse everything. I ain't cleaned my shrimps just yet. So once I finish doing everything, it's going to be ready to cook this chicken. This chicken will be nice and marinated. So we can use some soy sauce. And I'm going to chop it up. We're going to put it in a nice little sealed container. Okay, so we have everything cleaned out. Chicken nice and marinated. We have our onions, tomatoes. We got everything chopped up. Basil, dill. We got it going, yeah. So we're just waiting for the oil to get a little hot. Then we're going to start cooking. All right. Now remember, the only thing I season it with is black pepper. That's it. Black pepper. One nice hot thing. Okay, so we have the chicken nice and spread. You know, it don't take long for your shrimps to cook. So we'll let this chicken cook for a couple minutes. Then we'll add our shrimp. Make sure you go by the direction on the package. wait for our vegetables. We ain't gonna add our vegetables just yet. We'll let this do its thing. Let that seasoning come together. If you want to add more seasoning of your own, it's okay. But I like to taste as I go. I'm gonna add some minced garlic, but not just yet, because you know it don't take long for your garlic to cook. Not at all. All right, we have everything mixed in. Now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegetables. Bay leaf, onion, red onion, habanero pepper, and our dill. I'm gonna top that. And I'm gonna place my top on there. I'm gonna let it cook for a while. Okay, so that's how we looking. Now I'll put the rest of the Chipotle sauce in there, seasoning. The shrimp chicken made its own little juice, so we don't have to add no water on our chicken broth. Nice mix. I have my oven preheated to 400. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, give it a nice little color to it. 20 minutes, if that. And it's gonna be ready to serve. Okay, so we're gonna add a little minced garlic. And a half tablespoons. Mix it in. Make sure we spread the love. Okay. The love is spread. Now we'll go ahead and place it in the oven. Okay, we have our Chipotle pepper, chicken, and shrimp. Looking good, looking good. Everything is nice and tender. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. We have our Chipotle pepper, chicken, and shrimp. And when I say this is fire, this is fire. For real. Everything is nice and tender. The chicken, the shrimp. And you know the shrimp's always gonna have a nice bite to it. Everything came together like it's supposed to. The basil, the pepper, the garlic, the onions. I did my thing again in this Good Kitchen. I need like 14 more subscribers and I hit 4K. Yeah, 4K. 14 more subscribers. I'm just waiting for that right there so I can celebrate. Because, you know, a long time coming. And I appreciate everybody for the support. the likes, everything, because that's helping the boy channel, for real. Appreciate all y'all. And if y'all see anybody in my comments, comment on my videos, and you new, and you want to grow your channel, go on over there and check them out. You know what I mean? And let them know that you sub to them, and you there to support. And you go get the same respect and love back. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.